Understanding in one's bad books. Hello everyone, and welcome to today's English language learning video. In this session, we're going to explore a very interesting phrase you might come across in English conversations: in one's bad books. Understanding such phrases not only enhances your vocabulary but also helps you grasp the nuances of English language and culture. So, let's dive in and discover what it means to be in someone's bad books and how you can use this expression in your daily conversations. In one's bad books is a phrase used to describe a situation where you have fallen out of favor with someone, or they are displeased or annoyed with you. Essentially, if you are in someone's bad books, it means you have done something to upset them, and as a result, they might be holding a grudge against you or viewing you in a negative light. This expression is often used in informal contexts and can relate to both personal and professional relationships. Understanding the origin of idiomatic expressions can be quite fascinating, as it often gives insight into the culture and historical contexts from which the phrase emerged. The phrase, "in one's bad books," dates back to a time when keeping records was predominantly done in books, including accounts of debts or misdeeds. Being in someone's bad book implied that your actions were noted in a negative context, much like having a record of owing someone or having committed a fault. This historical perspective enriches the meaning and usage of the phrase in modern English. To help you better understand how to use this phrase, here are a few examples. I forgot to wish her on her birthday. I think I'm in her bad books now. After missing the deadline, he's definitely in the boss's bad books. Try to apologize, you don't want to stay in her bad books for too long. These examples show that the phrase can be used in various situations where someone might be upset with you for a specific reason. While it's natural to have misunderstandings or disagreements, here are some tips to avoid being in someone's bad books. Communication is key. Always try to communicate openly and apologize if you've made a mistake. Be considerate. Think about how your actions affect others and try to be considerate of their feelings. Make amends. If you know you've upset someone, take steps to make it right. We hope this video has shed some light on what it means to be in one's bad books, and how you can navigate such situations in your personal and professional relationships. Remember, understanding and using idiomatic expressions like this one can add depth to your English conversations and help you connect more effectively with others. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this explainer helpful. Stay tuned for more insights into the fascinating world of English language learning.